Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to answer the question, what happens if I do not pay Lazypay? Now, if you do not pay your Lazypay dues by the due date, here's a step-by-step guide on what typically happens. Number 1, late payment charges will be applied. Immediately after the due date, Lazypay starts applying late payment charges. The specific amount varies depending on whether you're a KYC'd customer and the amount of your outstanding dues. For the KYC'd customers, these charges can be a fixed amount based on their outstanding balance slabs or a daily charge, potentially occurring up to 25% of their outstanding principal. Non-KYC'd customers also include daily late payment charges. 2. Interest charges are applied. In addition to late payment charges, interest charges are also applied to your outstanding bill amount. The interest rates and frequency of charging depend on your billing cycle, 15-day or 13-day. 3. Reminders and communication. Lazypay will definitely send you reminders through various channels like SMS, app notifications, or emails to inform you about the pending payment and the accrued charges. 4. Account suspension. A Lazypay account may be suspended, preventing you from making further transactions using Lazypay. 5. Impact on credit score. You see, failure to make timely payments or defaulting on your Lazypay dues will negatively impact your credit score. Lazypay, like other lending institutions, reports repayment behavior to credit bureaus such as TransUnion CIBIL in India. A poor credit score can affect your ability to access credit facilities like loans or credit cards in the future or result in higher interest rates. Next, collection efforts. If the dues remain unpaid, Lazypay or its authorized collection agencies will initiate collection efforts. This may involve repeated reminders, phone calls, and communication to recover the outstanding amounts. Then we have the legal action. In cases of persistent default and non-cooperation, Lazypay reserves the right to pursue legal action to recover the outstanding amount. It is crucial to understand that even though Lazypay offers a buy now, pay later service, it's a form of credit and non-payment has serious financial consequences, similar to defaulting on any other loan. It is always advisable to pay your dues on time to avoid these charges and protect your creditworthiness. If you are facing difficulties in repayment, it is recommended to contact Lazypay's customer support to discuss potential solutions. Do not run away from your debt, contact them instead.